for satellite dish communication and internet. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Kala Koroi.
What is really important also is for you to be able to get connected to internet so you can access information. You know, there's a lot of rumor mongering, a lot of lassu going around. So you need to access the right information. And I would urge you, once you're connected, as was said in the introduction, we're what we call Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi means that the signal can go up till around about there, I think 360 meters from memory. Even if you sit there on your phone, sitting in that house, you can still connect to that. So you can go to the government web page, you can go to the government Facebook page, where you'll get all the facts. So hopefully after this, we'll take some photos, we'll put it up on the Facebook page, you can see yourself on the Facebook page. So some relative of yours maybe in Suva, they'll be able to see you now. Apart from that, of course, we want people to access information. More importantly, we want our children to be able to access information.
Today will be the most memorable day of our lifetime, and sir, you have given us a reason to smile. Vinaka, Vinaka, Vinaka Saravalivo. We focus on complete development of our students by involving them in both scholastic and co-scholastic activities. I believe this helps our children to realize, understand, and explore their talents. With the solar internet installation, you have brought the world so much closer and clearer to us, here especially to the children of Koroinasolo Village School, and likewise to the community as a whole. Sir, we can boldly say that we are not left behind.